cab so high, she kisses the sky, rolling down the highway, a king of the road. Chrome shining bright like a morning star. The Scania 16th Thor, she's my heavy load soul. With the hum of the engine, she's alive. Every mile's a story, every curve we survive. Oh, my Scania 16th Thor, my wheels, my road. Through the rain and the sun, she's always wanting more. From the hills to the plains, where the wild winds soar, there's freedom in her frame, my Scania 16th Thor. Diesel perfume, the smell of my days, gravel in my boots, and the long haul haze. She don't flinch at the weight, don't cry from the